Hi guys, so today I'll be doing an unboxing video on this 6th generation iPad. This is the regular full-size version with the 9.7-inch screen. And for this one they just called it iPad. It's the 128GB Wi-Fi model, and it includes the iPad, the Lightning USB cable, and a power adapter. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. Okay, and the cover will just slide right off. There we are. Nothing inside the lid. And there we have it, our brand new shiny iPad. There'll be a tab at the bottom here to lift it out. Dual speakers at the bottom. There's the volume rocker, camera, lock button, headphone jack, and this has the Touch ID sensor for the home button. And in the box there's your Lightning USB cable, and you have your paperwork, there's your charger, all the normal Apple stuff, warranty, Apple stickers. Feels very light. I'll compare it to the previous generation in a sec, the 5th gen iPad Air, but first we'll go ahead and remove the plastic. And there we have it. This is the space gray model with the black bezel. Very thin and light. Let's go ahead and power it up. Just hold down the lock button for a minute at the top, and there we go. Let's see how quickly it boots up for the very first time. And when the bezel is black, you get a black startup screen, and when the bezel is white, you get a white startup screen with a black logo. And there it is. That was pretty quick. 88% out of the box. And then that's it. Next I'll be setting it up and transferring everything over from my previous one. I'll grab it here just to compare the two. They're pretty much identical in size. Maybe just a hair. No, they are identical. Looks like a hair thinner. But you would never notice unless you had them side by side like this. Finish is about the same. Does feel a bit lighter though. You can see the difference in the speaker ports there at the bottom. A single row of larger holes compared to the double row of smaller ones. And of course the Touch ID instead of the regular home button there. Okay, so that's about it for the unboxing of the 6th generation iPad. This is in April of 2019, so it's a few years after it came out, but still a very modern, sleek design. Very fast, good battery life. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.